Today we're going to show you how to take the bowl off of a Cimex. These machines are really durable, but every once in a while you need to take the bowl off for various reasons. And it might be because, if you want to look around the side here, there's a water feed elbow down here that breaks sometimes. You'll need to take the bowl off to do that. And also, if you look here, this shield has been so badly bent that sometimes it rubs on the bowl. In order to replace this shield, we have to take the bowl off. So the first thing you want to do to take the bowl off is take this white plate off. It has a number of screws, Phillips head screws. You want to use a manual screwdriver to crack them loose because they can strip out really easily. So once we get those screws off, which we've already done, take that white plate off. And now we see here, here's your bowl assembly with your pad drivers, your brush pulleys. And the first thing we'll do is loosen this screw to get this center pulley off. The easiest way to do that is with either an electric or pneumatic impact, so that you can see it, the motor shaft will turn, so you need an impact to take this loose. Take that nut off. It's a little bit easier to do that with the belt on. It kind of stabilizes everything here. And then what I'll do is put just the nut back in to protect the threads, because we might need to use a puller to get that pulley off. Depends on how old your machine is or how seized that pulley is on there. Sometimes they come off pretty easy, sometimes they take a bit of effort. Now we'll take the belt off, just simply pull it off. And get it out of the way, and we'll need to replace this belt. It's kind of old. So now we need to take this pulley off. Have this handy dandy puller. It goes around into the back side of this pulley and the center onto the nut. And if you get in closer here, you can see where it's grabbed the back side of the pulley. And then we simply, some of these you'll need a wrench or an impact to pull this off, pull this loose. I've already loosened this one, so it's going to come off really easily. There you go, that's off now. Now that gives us access to this circlip right in here. And that's what's holding the bowl on. Circlip pliers or snap ring pliers. So now that's loose. Now we can pop this pull assembly off. Sometimes it requires a puller where you have to take these 3 nuts off. Other times, a lot of times with the carpet machine, you can simply tap it off with a mallet. See how it's moving here. There it goes. Let loose. All right, so there you have it. Now here's your here's the water feed I was telling you about, the underside of it. So these are come in brass now. They last longer. So there's 2 water feeds. That'll give you access to change that. And also this whole shield. Take these nuts off and this whole shield will come off and you can replace that. So that's your little tech tip for the day for the Cimex. Hope that helps you out.